What if you could make money without working? Okay, not exactly, but pretty close. Meet Sarah. While she was sleeping last night, 23 people bought her digital planner. That's $497 earned completely automatically. The best part? She created it just once 6 months ago. Today I'll show you exactly how to build your own digital product empire. What are digital products? Digital products are things you create once and sell forever. No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. Digital products are the ultimate business hack. While traditional businesses deal with inventory headaches and shipping nightmares, you'll be selling pure information and convenience. The 7 most profitable categories are: 1. Information products. Example, ebooks, guides. 2. Design assets. Example, templates, fonts. 3. Educational content. Example, courses, worksheets. 4. Software/tools. Example, plugins, presets. 5. Entertainment. Example, games, audio. 6. Organizational tools. Example, planners, trackers. 7. Community access. Example, memberships, forums. Why this beats any 9-to-5. Let's talk numbers. Amanda made $3,217 last month selling Canva templates she created in one weekend. The secret? Digital products scale infinitely. While service businesses hit income ceilings, your 100th sale requires no more work than your first. Key advantages: passive income potential, work once, sell forever. Global marketplace, sell to anyone with internet. Low overhead, no inventory, no employees. Automation friendly, set it and forget it. Recurring revenue options, subscriptions, updates. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make money selling digital products, even as a beginner. Step 1. Choose a profitable digital product. The biggest mistake beginners make? Creating products no one wants. Here's how to find demand before you build anything. Step-by-step research process. Identify pain points, what keeps people up at night. Analyze competitors, what's already selling well. Find gaps, what's missing from existing solutions. Test interest, simple survey or pre-sale. Validate pricing, what are people willing to pay. Step 2. Creating your first digital product. You don't need to be perfect, you need to be helpful. Here's how to create your first product in just 7 days. Start small, 5-page guide versus 300-page book. Repurpose content, turn tweets into ebook chapters. Use templates, steal like an artist. Outsource wisely, Fiverr for what you can't do. Package professionally, first impressions matter. Step 3. Where to sell. Start with Etsy, it's beginner-friendly with built-in traffic. Later, expand to Gumroad or your own website. The more places you sell, the more money you make. Step 4. Marketing and scaling. Marketing doesn't have to be complicated. These 3 strategies work for 90% of digital products. Proven marketing strategies. Content marketing, solve problems publicly. Collaborations, partner with influencers. Paid ads, scalable but needs testing. Upsells, increase average order value. Email marketing, where the money really is. Now go create your first digital product. Drop a dollar emoji in the comments if you're excited, I'll cheer you on. And subscribe for more money-making tips.